As a cat owner, you want what's best for your cat friend. One of the most important decisions you can make for their health and well-being is to have them neutered or spayed. In this video, we'll discuss why this procedure is crucial, its benefits, and what to expect during and after the surgery. What is neutering and spaying? Neutering and spaying are surgical procedures that remove a cat's reproductive organs. Neutering involves the removal of a male cat's testicles, while spaying involves the removal of a female cat's ovaries and uterus. Why is it important? First and foremost, neutering and spaying can prevent unwanted litters of kittens. Millions of cats end up in shelters each year, and many are euthanized simply because there aren't enough homes for them. By having your cat neutered or spayed, you're helping to reduce the number of homeless cats and giving those in shelters a better chance of finding a forever home. Neutering and spaying also have health benefits for your cat. For female cats, spaying eliminates the risk of uterine infections and reduces the risk of mammary gland tumors. For male cats, neutering eliminates the risk of testicular cancer and reduces the risk of prostate problems. Additionally, neutering and spaying can reduce aggressive behavior, roaming, and spraying in both male and female cats. What to expect during and after the surgery? Neutering and spaying are routine surgeries that are performed under general anesthesia. Your cat will need to fast for a few hours before the surgery and may need to stay overnight at the veterinary clinic for observation. After the surgery, your cat will need some time to recover. You'll need to keep them calm and quiet for a few days and monitor their incision site for any signs of infection or complications. Your vet will provide you with specific instructions for caring for your cat post-surgery. The right time for neutering and spaying. The timing for neutering and spaying your cat is an important consideration. It's generally recommended to have the procedure done when your cat is between 4 and 6 months old. However, some veterinarians may recommend waiting until your cat is a bit older, depending on their breed and overall health. It's important to note that female cats can go into heat as early as 4 months old, and male cats can start spraying and marking their territory as early as 6 months old. Having your cat neutered or spayed before they reach sexual maturity can prevent unwanted behaviors and reproductive issues down the line. The cost of neutering and spaying. The cost of neutering and spaying can vary depending on where you live and the veterinary clinic you choose. However, the cost is typically much lower than the cost of caring for a litter of kittens or treating reproductive health issues in your cat. Some animal welfare organizations and shelters may offer low-cost or even free spaying and neutering services. It's worth checking with your local organizations to see if they offer any programs or discounts. Frequently asked questions. 1. Is neutering or spaying my cat painful? Neutering and spaying are surgical procedures that require general anesthesia, so your cat won't feel any pain during the surgery. After the surgery, your cat may experience some discomfort or soreness, but this can be managed with pain medication prescribed by your veterinarian. 2. Will my cat gain weight after being neutered or spayed? Neutering or spaying your cat may cause them to have a slower metabolism, which could lead to weight gain if you don't adjust their diet and exercise routine accordingly. Talk to your veterinarian about the best way to manage your cat's weight after the surgery. 3. Can my cat still reproduce after being neutered or spayed? No, your cat will no longer be able to reproduce after being neutered or spayed. 4. Will neutering or spaying my cat change their personality? Neutering or spaying your cat can reduce aggressive behavior, roaming, and spraying, but it won't change their fundamental personality traits. Your cat will still be the same lovable companion they've always been. Conclusion. Neutering and spaying your cat is a responsible decision that can have numerous benefits for your cat's health and well-being, as well as for the overall cat population. By preventing unwanted litters and reducing the number of homeless cats in shelters, you're helping to make a positive impact on the world. If you're unsure about whether or not to have your cat neutered or spayed, talk to your veterinarian. They can provide you with more information and help you make an informed decision that's best for your cat. Remember, as a cat owner, you have the power to make a difference in the lives of cats everywhere. Neutering and spaying your cat is a responsible decision that can have numerous benefits for your pet's health and the overall cat population. If you're unsure about whether or not to have your cat neutered or spayed, talk to your veterinarian. They can provide you with more information and help you make an informed decision that's best for your cat. Neutering and spaying your cat is a responsible decision that can have numerous benefits for both your cat and the overall cat population. It's important to talk to your veterinarian about the best timing for the procedure and to follow their post-surgery care instructions carefully. By having your cat neutered or spayed, you're not only doing what's best for your feline friend, but you're also helping to reduce the number of homeless cats in shelters and promoting the health and well-being of cats everywhere.